Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hot spring hairstyles, both long and short. So if you have been dreaming up a new do, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone rocking the split dye trend. Gorgeous rose gold on one side, gray silver tone on the other. This is an absolutely stunning, dreamy color combination with the cut. She looks amazing. And then we have someone rocking a shaggy hairstyle with purple lavender money piece highlights, followed by this copper layered style. And then we have the undercolor trend. So if you are looking for a way to infuse some color in your strands, you can do the two-tone look. So she has black at the top and then pink at the bottom. And then there's another look at that gorgeous shag with the lavender money piece highlight look. And then we have this copy colored bob or bob pixie style. The pixie bob is one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing this season, and it is pretty much another variation on the pixie. So here we have another two-tone variation, platinum at the top, purple at the bottom, followed by this platinum pixie. I also see lots of pixies with bangs. And the stylist pretty much did like a shaggy pixie look for the styling. This is another very popular trend that we're going to be seeing in 2023. Next up, we have a hair transformation. So she is going to be doing a big chop for this one. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie. Love her natural curls with this one. Wow. So we have someone who decided to dye their hair reddish brown. Another very popular hair shade for 2023. So we have someone with really pretty copper colored hair. Looks like the stylist is adding in some layers, doing a little bit more of that shaggy look. There are so many retro hairstyles that have managed to make a comeback this season, and the shag is definitely one of my favorite. So here once again we have that shaggy pixie bixie style. And if you already have a pixie haircut, this would be a great way to kind of shake up some boring strands and try something different. So cute and chic, I love it. Then we have a curly hair transformation. So it looks like she decided to add some color. Wow. Oh, her hair looks amazing. The shaggy haircut mixed in with the color looks absolutely unreal. And it looks like we have another layered style for the next look. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the hint of color with the shag. Beautiful. And then we have yet another play on that shaggy look. This will be by far one of the hottest trends that we're going to be seeing this spring. Oh, this color combination is absolutely flawless. So gorgeous. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite. Leave us your thoughts, and will you be rocking or trying any of these trends this spring? We really want to know. So if you want to see even more hot hairstyles, you can check out this video next.